Make sure you stand till the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape. We're talking about the generation right here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the cooling fan relays are located, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. You will have multiple relays and depending on the year they could be at a different location. We will explain where you can buy cheap parts, tools, relays, fuses at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say, guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So the cooling fan relay, where you can expect to find it. It could be, guys, at 5 different places. You have multiple relays. We'll demonstrate on that generation Ford Escape. This is the pre-facelifted model, this is the facelifted model, which should work for both. You guys have, by the way, up to 4 different fuse boxes in that SUV, but they will work in just one. That's under the hood. Open the hood facing the engine on the right side. You have a fuse box under that cover. Open it and you will find that layout right here. Now before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So for the cooling fan, guys, there could be, okay, up to 5 different relays depending on which engine, model, year you have and all that stuff. So we're going to explain, check all of the ones that we show you. Now if you need to buy fuses, relays, parts at a good price, quick shipping, we will put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. The first one that you need to check is relay number 1. You may or may not have this one, but check it. Relay number 5 will be the next one. After that you need to check relay number 6. So number 6 will be right here, that black relay that we have. Next you need to check relay number 12. It will be right here. And relay number 15. We're talking about that relay right there. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.